Good morning, students. I am Vinita. Welcome to all. Today I am going to start chapter 2nd of unit 2nd. Name of the chapter is The Little Fir Tree. The chapter is about a magician and a fir tree. Now let's know more about the chapter. Shetty, the magician, was returning home. All of a sudden, it began to rain. It rained very heavily. He looked around for shelter and saw a little fir tree. He ran towards it. Soon the rain stopped and Shetty was very happy because he did not get wet. He decided to reward the tree. He asked the tree for 4 wishes and said to grant them. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nest on it. It wished that its needle-like leaves turned into green leaves. Next morning, its wish was granted, but a god came and ate them. Now, fir tree wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. Next morning, its wish was granted. Now, it has gold leaves, but a man came and stole its leaves. Now, the fir tree was again sad. Now, it wished for glass leaves. Next morning, it was surprised to see glass leaves and said, "How happy I am." But at night, a wind blew and all the glass leaves broke. Now the fir tree said, "I like my old leaves best, for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do not them harm." Now, when it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. Now the fir tree was very happy. Students, here are some hard words. First is shelter. Shelter means a place of safety. Next one is reward. Reward means a return for services. Next one is granted. Granted means to allow. Next one is instead. Instead means in place of. Students, these hard words no need to write in notebook. You have to write new words. Here are some new words. First, pretty. Needles, leaves, gold and stole. Now come to the exercise. Write the correct answer. First, a pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves. A pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but first option is a goat came along and ate them. Second one is all the leaves got wet in rain. Third one is a man stole them. Which one is right? Yes, the third option is right. Next question is the fir tree was sad? Why the fir tree was sad? Now come to the options. First, because it had yellow leaves. Second, because it had needle-like leaves. Third, because it was very short. You know very well why the fir tree was sad. Because it had needle-like leaves. Now, third, the fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. Why? First option is because the goats came and ate them up. Second, a man stole them. Third, the gold leaves broke. Which one is right? The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because a man stole them. Now come to the next exercise. Word building. First, by changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. You have to rewrite these sentences and one has been done for you. First, I carry a light bag to school every day. Which word is circled? Light. What is the opposite of light? Yes, heavy. Then rewrite the sentence. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Next one. Rina won the race. Which word is circled? Won. Rewrite the sentence. Rina. What is the opposite of won? Lost. Rina lost the race. Next one is I love eating vegetables. Yes, which word is circled? Love. What is the opposite of love? Hate. Yes, I hate eating vegetables. Now D. This glass of milk is full. Which word is circled? Full. What is the opposite of full? Yes, empty. Rewrite the sentence. This glass of milk is empty. Now next. The old man is wise. The old man is wise. Rewrite the sentence. The old man is foolish. Yes. Opposite of wise is foolish. Now next one is exercise number 2. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding UN or IN. Happy, unhappy. Polite, impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Important, unimportant. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Pure, impure. Now come to the next exercise. Here a paragraph is given. You have to write opposite of the words in blue. Like loved का hate. Go out. Opposite of go out is come in. Like this you have to write the other words. Okay. Now students, you have to write the multiple choice questions in your notebook, new words, and read the chapter carefully. I already sent the PDF of this chapter. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. Thank you all of you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.